transactions. So obviously here I've got 28,000. In this case, I want to go ahead and basically sell. So I'm going to select this buy order. So somebody wants to buy 193 digibyte. And if I click the sell button, it says there's insufficient funds in the wallet of the first currency of the pair, which is digibyte. I have 28,000. It should sell. I'm like, what's going on here? So, if I select this other one here, 367, which would be the sum of those two, same message, which is what? So basically I'm stuck. I can't liquidate this. So if I move over to the Ethereum exchange here, and I'll do the same thing, digibyte, select that. So in this case, digibyte, so there's a order for 3,000, so I'll go ahead and select that. And I'll say I want to sell 2,197 digibyte. If I say sell, same problem. Insufficient funds in the wallet. That's absolutely false. There's 28,000. So, hey man, what do I need to do to kind of move this? So buy, and I'm on the digibyte Ethereum. So I'll say, well, here's somebody offering to sell maybe 50 units of digibytes, 35 and 24. So I'm going to go enter a quote and I'll say buy. And sure enough, the buy order is completed, which is nice. That's great. And what happened there is I ended up with a second digibyte wallet. So obviously, the digibyte wallet's able to do something. So if I go to this digibyte wallet, and this one I say minus, okay, this wallet is online. So it's just generated. Okay, so maybe what I could do here would be try to move my digibyte from the offline wallet into the online wallet. So let's try that. So if we come here and we do a plus, I'll copy that private address. And if I do a minus, withdrawal address, paste that in. Let's do 1,000. And we do the wallet withdrawal. The coin is in maintenance. Please try again later. Well, that's interesting and unfortunate because now I really can't do much. I guess the other thing that I could do would be attempt to, transfer this digibyte, content offline. So I'm going to go ahead and, okay, so here's a withdrawal address. Let's do max 60 point whatever withdrawal fee, and do the withdrawal. Okay, so no problem moving digibyte from this wallet to my to my external out of this newly created account, but this other account is just basically locked down. So I am basically stuck. Thanks again. The other thing I'll observe about the the wallets here is that, like for example, I got some Water, some Theta, some Yoda, some DGB, and Dice, which are all alts. But if I look at these, each one of these wallets is in maintenance mode, and there's absolutely nothing I can do. So this is a little bit of Theta, a little Yoda, maintenance, digibyte, maintenance, Ethereum, let's see, Dice, maintenance. So the only wallets that are operable are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So anyway, obviously if the wallet's in maintenance, there's nothing you can do, and there's no specific activity that's offered that enables me to get the wallet or prompt anybody to get a wallet out of maintenance mode.
I have been working on this since my first support issue relating to maintenance mode was May 5th, May 8th, and since then, June 25th, July 2nd, July 8th, and now we are on August 4th. So we're looking at 3 months where literally all my altcoin wallets have been offline, just like other people claim. Basically, they suggest a good day withdrawal will be available after you upgrade the source code of your wallet. This is one of the complaints that everybody else is. I can't upgrade the source code. I don't have access, and the source code is not here. So the point would be that this is basically a sham here is July 2nd when I first complained about the specific Digibyte problem, and I get the same deal. Because price changes, whatever, I really want to move it to another wallet. Because price changes, no meaningful answer. I said, what am I doing wrong? No support. Basically, at this point, they had already put my wallets in maintenance mode and stolen my tokens. So I have moved to the point of saying, look, I can't do anything. The tokens are stolen. Like, for example, here, if I attempt to sell Digibyte for Bitcoin, it's the same situation. Basically, they lock down my token. So here's an example where I want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin with my Digibyte. I'll say sell, and it says there's insufficient funds. Obviously, there's 28,000, which means, again, 3 months after I've been complaining about this, there's been no response except for the fact that I just can't access my tokens because they stole them out of my wallet.